Imagine turning your daily grind into daily wealth. Let's talk about how real entrepreneurs make it happen. Here's the truth. Nobody just stumbles into daily wealth. Every $3K day starts with an investment in yourself. The secret? Mastering high-demand skills that people and businesses need right now. Think about digital marketing, copywriting, coding, or sales, skills that pay in today's economy. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree. You just need relentless curiosity, a willingness to fail forward, and the drive to keep learning. So, how do you start? Pick one skill that excites you. Go deep. Watch tutorials, take online courses, and practice every single day, even for just an hour. Surround yourself with others who are leveling up too. Remember, the biggest difference between those earning $3K a day and everyone else? They didn't wait for permission. They started, learned fast, and never stopped. This is your sign. Your $3K day starts with what you do today. Ready to get started? Don't forget to smash that like button in appreciation to help me make more content videos like this one.